Hey y'all, welcome back to the Avenue, where we get straight to this revenue. In this video, I'm gonna break it down and show you how I receive these items, package them up, and ship them out. I bring you straight hustles, real game, and no fluff, okay? So this is live. I just received this package during the weekend, and now it's time for me to package it up and ship them out and let them hit the warehouse. So I'm gonna break it down to you how I do it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's simple. So what I do is, I got the packages here. These are the boxes that I'll be using. These are boxes that I'll be using and packaging and shipping them out. So I'm gonna break them down one by one, open them up, look at the items, lay them out, put the labels out, slap them up there, and ship them out, ready to get paid. So stick with me. This is gonna be a fun video. Grab your pen and pencil out. Let's go, let's do it. Avenue, we get straight to revenue, no fluff, real game, real hustles, all right? Let's go. So this is some of the stuff you'll probably need just to get started. I got me a label machine. This is a laser printer. Got my computer right here, all my labels and stuff. Log into the Amazon website. It's gonna print. It's gonna have all the labels that needs to be printed out. So this is some of the stuff you need just to get started. It's simple. From here, I'm gonna walk you through how I print these labels out, how I get them off for the Seller Central website or for the item list. But before this, I want to get everything laid out and ready to for packaging. So this is the Amazon FBA. A lot of people always ask me, I don't want to do all the packaging, I don't want to do all the shipping myself. I'm doing this video just to show you guys how I receive products, but ship them back out to Amazon warehouse and let them do everything. This is Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. I don't do anything. Usually, I'll let the supplier or the distributor label them up and send them out. They charge a small fee to do that, but I wanted to make a video, so I just told them to send me the inventory to my location, and I'll be able to package them up and ship them out to the warehouse and let Amazon take care of all the logistics. So this is gonna be a fun video. Stick with me. Let me know in the comment section what you want to know more about. I have a e-commerce course actually, and if you're interested on getting some type of free information about how I do it, I simplify everything. I can reach out to you in the comment section, send you a link. But for now, stick in there, let me show you what I got going on and show you how I get things done. Let's do it. So what I'm doing is busting down these blocks one by one, opening them up. Yeah, I'm showing y'all the items that's out, man. I want y'all to come around, how to take my items. So the course I'm creating, it breaks everything down. I'll give you everything you need to get started right away. You will be able to start making money right away. Got my order sheet. Make sure everything I have is here. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I got everything I need. Now it's time to lay each one of them out individually and get them labeled up. Step 2. So what you want to do is place these labels upside like this. So when it's time to label, just print the labels out, smack them on. Boom, 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 smack them all, put right back in the box. See what I have here? Multiple different ASINs, multiple different products that I sell on the platform. I don't just stick to one product. I consistently source and find winning products that I turn around and sell on Amazon. See these products that I have? They're already name brand products. They've already been having consistent sales. Like, this is not my brands. These are my brands. These are products that already been selling on the platform. So what I do, I just turn around, buy them in wholesale, and then resell them back on the Amazon platform. Here's your order labels I'm showing. When it's time to label them up, smack the label on. So this method is how I consistently make money on the platform selling the same items. Okay, now that I have everything laid out, ready to get labeled, So now I will go to my computer, hook up my label machine, laser print all these labels. The labels that I get from Amazon Seller Central, log on to my account, label each label up and put them over top this label. Each one has its own label that you pull from the computer that they already generate for you. Slap them on, and that's step 2. I'm gonna show you that. All right, so we're gonna go inside our inventory and we're gonna search by name. So we're gonna start off with the motherworth herb. So what I'm doing right now is this is what I'm printing my labels out. I'm on the website, print the labels out. You find the ASIN thermal printer, keep it at thermal printer. How many labels do I need? I need 12. Give me a reminder. So I do it like this, pull them up, hit the print button. No, switch it to a dynamo. Now that all my labels are printed out, I'm gonna sit here and separate them individually by items. Okay, so you can see each item. This is Frontier Co-op, it's 12 of them, 1, 2. See, a lot of people think that this is harder than what you think. It's not, it's simple once you get a routine down pat. That way there, you're able to repeat the process every time. I want to help as much people as I can. See, like I said, I didn't do this by myself. It took me a while to get here and understand that, yo, it's really possible to make money in your sleep. And this is literally what I'm doing. You literally printing money. So I'm gonna just keep doing this. Once I get finished, I'll take you back down and start the labeling process. Okay, so this is the part where I take these labels, labeling up, putting them over top the existing labels. But the key is to try to find, for the hard part to this whole method is just try to find the ones that matches up. It's pretty cool, but I'm gonna show you right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull these already pre-printed labels off. You can't put this in what you got going. We're gonna place it right over the top. You place it right over the top the existing label. All right, let me talk to you real quick about what's really going on, man. So I do the stuff I do and do the things I do. It's because I'm a strong believer in financial freedom and doing whatever you want to do and earning things, working on your own terms, creating some type of whatever you think freedom is, financial freedom is, that's what you believe. But I just want to create a lifestyle that I can be actually proud of and do what I want to do and when I want to do it. That's why I work so hard and do what I do regarding all my hustles. So the key to packaging all this stuff up is to make sure that Amazon don't have any restrictions on the items you could put together. So how many items, different ASINs we have that's able to fit into a single box, that's good unless Amazon has a restriction on any products that we want to put together. So for example, everything has to be under 50 pounds. So I'll try to weigh it up to at least 49 pounds to keep it on the safe side. So we're gonna try to just stuff as much things we can stuff in one box and then see what else we have left over. So we're probably gonna start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're gonna start off with some small items just to see how much we can fit inside this one box. You just want to make sure you got everything accounted for. So we at 21 pounds right now. 21 pounds is not that heavy, but if I want to play it safe, maybe I can add this on this, maybe I can add this on this side to complete this box. We at 30 pounds right now. So now it's up to me if I want to keep on going or if I want to sit here and close this up. Look, I'm gonna close this one up. So what I'm doing is rewrapping these things up because I was moving too fast during the initial stage. Don't good now. So you want to rewrap the glass because it's glass. See, what you see is a perfect wrap. You close out perfectly. This is something that I want to show my son is. My son will never forget this type of stuff. He's all in the mind. You got it. So boom. Now that we got this situated, we just gotta wrap up the rest of this stuff, find a box that'll fit everything, and I think we should be good. All right, man. Now, I'm gonna give you a pro tip. Just now about to label these boxes up and ship them off, but I had to reopen the package because one of my products was sold as a unit. So I had to retake them out, package them up so it could be sold as two. And I put these little green stickers in, get them off of Amazon. It says sold as a set. So once it hits the warehouse, they won't break them up and they won't just sell a single unit. They'll sell them as a set. Because if you get them shipped off to a warehouse just as a single set and it's supposed to be sold as a set, you're liable to get returns. And you don't want that because it'll mess up your Amazon account. That's a pro tip. So I just had to take them out the box, repackage them up, put sold as a set, this green sticker, and I'm about to package them up. Hey man, so I'm on my way to drop some of these packages off to the UPS, right? And I just want to just speak a little bit about this wholesale model on how it's and way more beneficial for me to do as I have everything going on. These are test items that I test by myself. I get between 10 to 12 units of them in order for me to get ungated in that brand. So in order for me to get ungated, you need to have a certain amount of inventory to ship in to get ungated. So these are like small test orders. You don't want to get too much because you don't want to get stuck with the inventory if it don't sell. My rule of thumb, if it sells out within a day or two, these are good items. So I double back, I reach out to the wholesaler and I buy in bulk, which in return, they do all the labeling and shipping for me, and they ship it right directly to the Amazon warehouse. They take care of everything. If you got any questions and stuff like that, leave them in the comment section. If you want to be part of a great community, come join my Facebook page, Avenue to Revenue. You can catch me on Avenue to Revenue. Email me at info@avenuetorevenue.com. Touch base with me, let me know what type of revenue you looking towards, man. I'll make it help you. But thank y'all for reaching up to me. So you got something to say to these people?
Yeah.
What you got to say?
Scan the QR code and some Zane plushies and toy there.
Man says scan the QR code, but you hear what he said, scan the QR code. And also be on the lookout, man. Me and my son have a daddy and son channel too. So it's pretty cool.
But you normally don't take it. See that bird.